Good morning, students. Today we will discuss uh, class 10th social science chapter Indian agriculture of geography. In this chapter, uh, we will discuss what is agriculture, what are its various types being practiced in India, its importance, its drawbacks, or maybe said that challenges that today agriculture is facing. So first we start with its definition. uh, what is agriculture? Then agriculture is the primary activities in which growing the food production, cash crops and raw material for various industries. It means it is a primary activity in which we grow food for consumption and as well as for the raw materials used in industries. Now come to the importance of agriculture. About 67% of population are engaged in agricultural activities. Agriculture is a primary activity. Most of the production we get from the agriculture. It provides raw materials for various industries. Tea, coffee, spices, etc. are some of the exported agricultural products. Now our next topic is different types of farming. First is the primitive subsistence farming. Second, slash and burn agriculture. Third, intense subsistence farming. Commercial farming, plantation farming, dry land farming, wetland farming, organic farming and biotechnology. First we will deal with primitive subsistence farming. It is very clear from its name that it is a type of farming that is being practiced from the very beginning, from very long period. There are some important characteristics of this kind of farming. The first is still practiced in a few parts of India. Second, small patches of land with primitive tools like hoe, digging sticks by community labor. Here in this kind of farming, small patches of land is used and with primitive tools like hoe, digging sticks, cultivation is practiced by the community labor. It means that there is no need to hire labor. Only the family members of the farmer and with the help of the neighborhood, this kind of farming is practiced. Third point is monsoon based and depend on natural fertility of soil. It means it doesn't need any other kind of irrigation method. It is totally depend on the rainy water and the natural fertility of soil. It doesn't need any fertility, any chemical fertilizers to enhance its fertility, but it depend on the natural fertility of soil. And the fourth one, the suitability of the other environmental conditions. It means the type of crops in this kind of farming is depend on the suitability of environment conditions. It means the temperature, the moisture that is found naturally in any area.